Hey, you guys. So, I'm sure a lot of you guys have already heard what's happened with Heather from the Kneady Homesteader and her family 2 weeks ago. I know a lot of us were really concerned and wondering where she was. I watch her videos whenever she puts them out, and I know a lot of you guys do too. And I was wondering because I kept checking and checking and nothing, and I'm not subscribed to her inner circle yet. I had planned on doing it. I just didn't do it yet, so I wasn't um, notified, like they were. Um, so this morning, I don't know why, but I was asleep. I woke up, couldn't sleep, so I put YouTube on and um, checked the subscriptions, and there was Heather. And um, this picture right here um, was showing, and she titled it the video the hardest video I will ever make, and I instantly knew that something very, very bad had happened. I I just did. I don't know. Um, so I'm not gonna go into great detail. I just want to say that Heather is alive. Her children are alive. Her husband Matt was killed instantly um, the night before Valentine's Day. They were at dinner, and on the way home, they were struck head on by a drunk driver. Um, and Matt died instantly. Her husband, Heather, has suffered critical wounds, critical injuries. She's got angels watching out for her. From what it sounds like, she shouldn't be here either. I think God knew that those kids needed her. She suffered a brain bleed severely, in critical condition. They didn't think that she was going to make it. Now, she's a sister canner. She always laughs when I say that, and makes comments because I always call her one of my sister canners, and that's what she is. I've watched her for the last 10 years at least, and she has been one of my best encouragers, one of the inspirational YouTubers that has helped me get started. She was so encouraging 3 years ago when I started my channel. I can't even tell you what that meant to me. She offered to let me into collabs with her and some other canners, and collaborations, and she's just an amazing person. She's such a sweetheart. I've never heard her say anything bad about anyone. She and Matt were just such a loving couple, and she homeschools their kids. I mean, she's just amazing, you guys, and she needs our prayers. She has 2 broken arms, a crushed leg, and I believe she said 2 broken feet as well. So you can imagine, I mean, she is very clearly in shock still. When you watch this video, you'll see Heather is a very bubbly and expressive person and joyous to watch. And you can just see the light of the Lord through her eyes. She's just so energetic and kind, and she just really needs our prayers and our support. And this is where YouTube is not just a channel. We are a community, especially the canning community. We are a tight-knit community. Um, we pretty much all know one another. We've never met in person. I've never met Heather. Um, but we've had communication through comments and things, and through the years. I mean, she's just that way, as are a lot of the other canners. Um, most of them. I mean, it's a canning family. It's a canning community, and um, I'm asking for support for them, for prayers for them. Um, her children both suffered broken arms, lacerations. Of course, they're in shock. They lost their father. Heather lost her husband. Um, I wish I could be there to help her through this personally. Um, she is from Michigan, and it's a drunk driver that hit them. And the drunk driver, she said, had a alcohol level of 0.354. So when I was watching this and I heard that, I had to stop the video because I was crying so hard anyway. But then I got angry. I got really, really angry. And I've been going back and forth between anger and sadness for her all day. I would love if somebody knows how to get a hold of Mothers Against Drug Driving in Michigan. This is where Heather is from. Please, somebody contact them or let me know how to do it and get them involved. She's got such a hard road ahead for her. The whole family does. And it just breaks my heart. This didn't have to happen. And to have this happen to this family, I mean, I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. I've had two of my very best friends lose their husbands in recent years, and I was blessed enough to be there with both of them and help them in such a small way. You can't, there are no words. You just can't. Um, you just have to be there as emotional support. That's all you can do. And that's what we need to do with Heather. Heather, if you watch this, we have you, sister. God has you. You're going to get through this. We're all going to be there for you. We're all going to help you. We love you so much. So much. And I know that she can see how much that she's loved you guys, because her son set up a GoFundMe early this morning. I think about 4 o'clock my time. And it's right here. They set a goal of $100,000 because Matt was the breadwinner. Heather stays home. She has her canning channel, and she does really well with her canning channel, but she homeschools her kids. Now she's going to be on her own. Look at this. So it's 4:52 p.m. on the West Coast, and as of, I think, about a half an hour ago or so, when I brought this up, it's at 117,000. And it's being shared all over. I shared it on my Facebook. I asked people to share it. I've asked people to share it on YouTube. I've contacted everybody that I have phone numbers for, and let them know to please, to let them know what happened, and then let them know to share this on their pages. And this GoFundMe has been really shared. It's really getting out there, but it needs to go farther. This needs to be shared. This needs to be brought to the attention of everyone that we can, to support them. Mason and Mina, they lost their daddy, and Heather lost her husband, her best friend. I will post a link in the description box of their GoFundMe. Please share the link. Please share the link. I'm also going to post a link to her video that she posted so that you guys can go and get the details for yourself straight from her. There's a lot more to the story, but you need to hear it from her. I think that's appropriate. And if you can't donate to the GoFundMe, please share it as much as you can. Please support her by prayer, lifting her up in prayer. If you don't pray, just send good thoughts and love. And if you don't have any money to support, I mean, any amount will help them. Any amount. But if you can't, going through COVID and everything, there's so many people in need, and I totally get that. Another way to help her is to just go to her channel and set the playlist and just play her videos. Her videos are monetized. Just set it, watch what you can, walk away from it. I don't care. Just play her main playlist and just keep it going. That will help support her family. That will help, and you don't have, it won't cost you anything. There's also a link in her videos, and all of her videos, an Amazon link that you can use. If you're going to buy anything from Amazon, please use that link, and she will get, I think it's 2 or 3%. It's not very much, but if you're going to buy something from Amazon anyway, why not go through her link and support her that way? Please, everybody, just get the word out there. And please, if you can just share this. This could have been any one of us. And I hope that you all remember that tomorrow is not promised. We only have today. Things happen every day. Things happen all the time. We really just need to support one another, show love for one another, because you don't know when it's going to be the last time that you talk to somebody or see them, whether it be family or friends. So, in support of Heather and her family, tell somebody, reach out and tell somebody, a family or friend that you haven't talked to in a while. Reach out. Stop the grudges. Don't hold grudges. Life is just too short, you guys. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. There's a lot more I want to say. I just, I can't right now. So I'm probably not going to be putting up videos for the next couple days. Just, I've got some banked that I have. I've just got to put them up. I'm probably not going to be making any videos for the next couple days. I'm going to take a break, and just enjoy life. That's what I'm going to do. Please pray for Heather. Keep their family in your prayers. There are 8 children involved here between Heather and Matt. They've lost their dad, and their mom is critically injured, and it's going to be a long road to recovery for her and for the children, both physically and emotional. Thank you guys, because I know a lot of you have already shared the link and gotten the word out, and I so appreciate it. Heather, we love you so much. So much. And we will be here when you come back. And you guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to her channel and support her in that way. Thanks, you guys. Love one another, okay? Hug each other today. And just tell somebody that you haven't in a long time that you love them.